it's your girl, Nikki PinkkGoddess, coming to you today. I'm not going to keep you long. I wanted to share the best income secret in my opinion, right? There's tons of people that can tell you what they think the best income secret is. I think the best income secret is what you're looking at right here. It's in the middle, Bitcoin. Why? Because in 2017, I had a very life-changing experience with Bitcoin. I'm super excited about what Bitcoin is doing. If you are watching this video right now, in the last year, Bitcoin has increased over 40%. I'm talking about going from $5,000 value in the beginning of 2020 to right now, we're in February of 2021, and one Bitcoin is worth over $47,000. Do you know that if you would have owned just 50 Bitcoin, right? If you would have owned just 50 Bitcoin, I think by March of last year, one Bitcoin would have been worth like $250,000, right? But right now, with the value of Bitcoin at over $47,000, if you would have owned 50 Bitcoin, that would be $2.3+ million. That in itself says why you should own some Bitcoin. And I want to share with you an amazing opportunity on why I think earning Bitcoin is the best income secret. Definitely if you're trying to create massive wealth as we can finish, head through 2021 and going into the, many years to come, you definitely want to have some Bitcoin, many Bitcoins in your wallet. It is not too late for you to accumulate it for you and your family. So I look forward to seeing you in the Facebook group. So please follow the instructions that you're going to see and get over in the group so I can share with you why I think Bitcoin is the best income secret. See you guys in the Facebook group. Peace.